So for those of you that have been following along, we had some duck eggs that we had in the incubator. The majority are due out to hatch February 6th, which will be live streaming. We did put 2 in early, but first let's water and feed the animals. So now that that's taken care of, let's talk about these 2 eggs. The 2 eggs that I put in a while ago before the major batch that we plan on hatching live in February. 2 made it full term. Unfortunately, only 1 hatched. Judging by the shape and color of her bill, we think she's a purebred Welsh Harlequin. So she would be the daughter of Tater and Tots. That's super exciting. They're my favorite breed as far as looks, and I'm super happy to have them. In other news, I think Judy, our rabbit, is pregnant. She has been pulling out some fur in her nesting box recently, and she's about 30 days post-mating with Moose, our buck.